You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Sunny skies for our Friday, the end of our week. We had some windy conditions out there this morning. Now the wind is expected to die down around this time, around noon. It's supposed to get quite quiet. In terms of temperature, we are below the seasonal average for our high, hovering around minus 10 degrees. Our system showing minus 13 as the high today. But again, mostly sunny skies. Now overnight tonight also remaining quite clear. Our Futurecast images here showing us this inactivity really, and Saturday lots of sunshine. It's really on Sunday we've got a little bit more cloud coverage coming our way to end our weekend. Belleville today, high of minus 12 degrees this morning, feeling more like minus 20. Now it's going to be a very cold start to your Saturday as well, with wind chill making it feel like minus 32 degrees. The temperature high minus 10 for your Saturday. Mostly sunny skies. Then on your Sunday, high of minus 5 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Our system showing you may see some flurries as well to end your weekend. Brockville today, high of minus 12 degrees. Again, some thin cloud coverage out there. You've also got that very cold start to the morning, rising to minus 13 as your high tomorrow. Mix of sun and clouds. Now that stays in the forecast for your Sunday as well, with that warmer temperatures out there, getting to around minus 7 to end your weekend. Smiths Falls felt like minus 21 earlier this morning. It's going to be minus 15 around that mark for you in terms of temperature high. Again, sunny conditions for your Friday. Mix of sun and clouds for your Saturday. High of minus 13. That increases to minus 8 as your high to end your weekend. Again, mix of sun and clouds for your Sunday. Now, Kingston's 5-day forecast here now. Take a look at this. By Tuesday, we're looking like we could be above the freezing mark. Getting there, though, again, minus 13 is the high today. Our seasonal average is minus 3, so it is quite a bit chillier out there. Mostly sunny skies for Saturday as well. Just some thin cloud coverage there. High of a minus 12 with that chillier start in the morning. Mix of sun and clouds for both Sunday and for Monday. It's looking like at this point minus 8 for Sunday, minus 5 for Monday. Now that jumps in terms of temperature to plus 2 degrees is what our system is showing us at this point for Tuesday, but that comes with some overcast skies and also mixed precipitation. Could be rain or snow mixed, just with that temperature being above freezing. Could be a little bit messy there.
Yes, another cold snap, the second one this week, and we've had 3 in the last 2 weeks. Yeah, we are in the thick of winter. Not to worry, we'll probably see before the weekend wraps up. Those temperatures rebound again. Not sure if, I don't think we had a minus 10 for our daytime high. Those daytime highs were quite early in the day, and then temperatures started to drop. Everybody else at around a minus 4, minus 3, minus 5 in Peterborough, minus 4 for Toronto, Oshawa. But this is what happens when things get cold. Things stick. And the machines that we use to measure the elements, they don't quite work. So, but we'll probably see that fix itself as temperatures start to rise over the weekend. Northeast winds at 11 kilometers per hour right now. I had reported at the top of the hour from Norman Rogers, 47% relative humidity. So it is still very dry air mass. On top of it being super cold, that Arctic air continues to pump in. We had about 3.5 centimeters of snow overnight, a light little dusting. Not a whole lot, but we did get a little bit. Just some lake effect. We are getting out from under that the cold front that did the trough that pushed through with its a little bit of lake effect. We had some streamers with west winds. We could see that again soon. So despite the fact that there's an area of high pressure, if you start to get those westerly winds across Lake Ontario, they can toss you a little bit of snow to those communities on the north shores of Lake Ontario. It all depends if it gets sort of west and then all of a sudden goes west-southwest. And that's when you start to see a bit of that moving inland. We have another low to contend with, but it's probably going to take its sweet time moving in. As it does, another low spawns just to the south of it. And as it moves through, there is these are small disturbances. I don't see them doing a whole lot, except maybe 30% chance of a flurry Sunday. It's the other lows that we caught just over my shoulder in the prairies that will be coming in and wreaking a little havoc for us with mixed precipitation. We're going to find temperatures start to rise. But for now, it is clear and cold, and you see that cloud to the left here? That's about as much as we're going to see of that big nor'easter, that weather bomb that's heading to Atlantic Canada. But what we'll see, thanks to these lows moving in from the west, is that increase in cloud Sunday, that small probability of a flurry, not a big deal, it's like 30%, and then we'll likely see a break from that. But then those other lows in the prairies, hoping to bring some warmer air to the region. By Monday, we'll actually be seasonal again with a -3 Belleville, but a cold one again tomorrow, extreme cold warning for at least one more day, and then Sunday up to -6, 30% chance of flurries, and then we see it clearing early Monday morning. Brockville, extreme cold warning for you. Those northerly winds at about 20, they should diminish through the afternoon. Sunday, mix of sun and cloud with a high -7, and then Monday -4, and it looks like some flurries or periods of snow coming your way. Smiths Falls, it's a high of -14, and it drops to -23. Keep in mind, these -22, -23s that we're seeing overnight in the region, they're going to feel more like 31, 32 in the minus range. Sunday, mix of sun and cloud, a high -9, and for Monday, Smiths Falls, you've got a high -7 and a mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, extreme cold warning still in effect. We've got one more day of those frigid temperatures thanks to that polar vortex. Those northerly winds, 20 to 40 kilometers per hour, should diminish in the afternoon, though, so wind chill will improve. But we do have about an 8 to 10 point spread in those between the temperature and the wind chill. Sunday, it's a -8, a better temperature, but a small chance of flurries. And for Monday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high -4. Look out for the mixed precipitation on Tuesday and some more snow Wednesday. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Debbie O'Grady of Kingston sends this in, and some swans on a warmer body of water than the air that it's in. So you get that little bit of a mist or fog laying over the water. It just makes for a pretty picture. Nice to see all those swans gathered together. Great pick, Debbie. Thanks. If you've got photos to share with us, send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Yeah, that's absolutely gorgeous with the mist rising. Well, I don't know about you, Bill, but after this last couple of weeks with the snow and the cold snaps, I'm certainly hoping that those groundhogs do their job properly in the next week or so and call for an early spring.
Yeah, I think we really only had about 3-4 weeks of winter. Leading up to it, it just seemed to be an extended fall. We were getting more rain than anything else, and it really didn't get very cold. But all it takes is 2, maybe 3 weeks of this, and then you've had enough. You want to move on to spring, don't you?
Yeah, exactly. I've had enough.
Yeah.
I'm throwing in the towel here. All right, well, we'll see what we're going to see as to whether we're going to see any more of these cold snaps and snowstorms in your long-range forecast. Thanks, Bill. Forecast.
Yes, we're in the cold snap now, extreme cold warning in effect, and that will change come Sunday. As we lift that, we get into an increasing cloud through the evening and a small chance of flurries, but by Monday it's just a mix of sun and cloud again, a high of -4, a little closer to seasonal. February 1st, Tuesday, it's a high of +2, so there's a pretty good chance of mixed precipitation. But as it cools down a bit on Groundhog Day, a high of 1, it's just snow. Could be the wet variety, though. Thursday, a high -2, and still a 60% chance of light snow and flurries. A mix of sun and cloud Friday, and back into the deep freeze, a high -11 down to -22.
All right, we'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Yes, extreme cold warning for the region again as we see a little bit of that polar vortex slip our way thanks to areas of high pressure seeping into the region. And as they do, we got a couple cold days as a result of this. We will find temperatures rebound again, getting back up, but it's going to take a low out of the prairies with a warm front. And this is actually going to end up spawning 2 lows as it moves through. And as it does, it could bring us some precipitation. Now, Sunday, this is a small depression. Sunday, like maybe 30%. We see some streamers sort of developing as a result of this. But the secondary low as it pushes through is probably what's going to bring you more active weather. So sunny and cold tomorrow. Extreme cold warning in place, Belleville. Sunday, -6 and just a 30% chance of a flurry. Monday, you see some clearing again with a seasonal high of -3. But it looks like some active weather will be moving in following that. Brockville, -13, clear and cold, extreme cold warnings for everyone on our map. Sunday, it's a mix of sun and cloud up to -8, and for Monday, -4 with a mix of sun and cloud. Smiths Falls, clear and cold conditions for you for the next day or so, and Sunday, it looks like a bit of an improvement in temperatures, and even better on Monday as it gets up to about a -7. Enjoy the sunshine. It looks like a bit of a mess coming to us in the long range. Kingston, -12 tomorrow. An extreme cold warning is in effect. For Sunday, the temperatures will rise. -8 and a small chance of a flurry in the afternoon. For Monday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high -4, fairly seasonal. +2 Tuesday. We could see showers or flurries as February begins. And for Groundhog Day, it's snow with a high 1. -2 Thursday, still a good chance of flurries. And Friday, a mix of sun and cloud. Back to the cold, a high of only -11.